welcome again. My name is Mick Donald Wataberger. We have steered off course because we saw something incredible. We are at the Nottawasaga Bluffs, overlooking forests. The brave adventurers are taking pictures. This is quite amazing. This adventurer will not go very close because he is scared of heights. However, these four, they are the brave ones of the bunch. They are our leaders. All right. Now, hopefully our next video will be at the waterfalls. Again, this is Mick Donald Wataberger signing off in Nottawasaga Bluff / Falls, where you can see some falling water, also known as waterfalls. Until then.